friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox assets not loading, Roblox not loading properly. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your Chrome, then click on three dot top right corner, then click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on security. In this little bit scroll down. Now you can see here use secure DNS. If you select custom, click here, then select here Google public DNS. After that close this window, open your control panel, select here network and sharing center, then click on change adapter settings. Right click on Wi-Fi network, click on properties. Here you double click internet protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses. Type here 8888. Type alternate DNS server 884 and 4. Then click on OK. Then close this window. Go to the run command. Then type here %local app data %. Click on OK. Then select here temp file. Open this folder. Here Roblox. Right click on Roblox folder. Then click on delete. After deleting, close this window. Open Windows 11 settings. Select here apps. Select here app and future. Then search here Roblox. Click on three dot. Click on advanced options. Click and repair. Then click on reset. Before reset, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click on reset. After doing all this method, once restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.